All right, hi, I'm Dr. Ben Newman. I study coronaviruses for a living. Let's try to answer your questions. Next question is from Jennifer. Yay, good morning, Jennifer. Yeah, welcome back. Let's see. I'm having my car in for maintenance. The dealership is nice enough to offer, oh my gosh, contactless pickup and delivery. Fine. All right, yes. When would it be safe for me to drive my car after they return it if I just let it sit in the driveway and if I need to use it before that time? Yeah, sure. All right, all right. And what cleaning and safety measures should I take? All right, yeah. All right, so what I would say is that there's going to be somebody inside your car. I'm assuming, I don't know if you're getting detailed or if you're getting, they sometimes would do that anyway. They vacuum the rugs and stuff like that. You won't know whether or not the workers were wearing masks. They can say that, but people say a lot of stuff, and it's not always true what they say. So, yeah, I think you're just going to assume that somebody might have been in there without a mask, or if they were wearing a mask, maybe they didn't have their mask well sealed, and yeah, there could be a lot of things. The outside of the car, I'd say don't worry about it. You can take it through a car wash if you want, but that's for you and for your car. That's not for COVID. For the inside of the car, I would say you're going to roll down the windows and put a mask on. Make sure you got a good seal around the mask. Take it for a drive. Take it for a nice little test drive with the windows down and the radio up, or not, as you prefer. And get a nice what my in-laws would call a blow through going on in the car. Yeah, even drive it down the highway for a little bit if you got a highway near wherever the heck you are writing from. That would be that'd be pretty good. I'd say if you give it I don't know 10 or 20 minutes of good high velocity air, that's going to scrub out every nook and cranny, probably better than any hand sanitizer or household cleaner would do. If you want to, yeah, if you want to wash your hands after, I think that's probably a good idea, but that's probably a minor risk. It would be the air inside of there. So yeah, that's the nice thing. You don't necessarily have to let it sit at all. You just got to get it out and get your mask on and go for a drive. Yeah. Which, yeah, you got a car. I'm guessing you may like that. So that should be fairly safe. And yeah, best of luck, and hope everything's all right with your car. Thank you very much. This has been Ask Dr. Ben.